Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies with self-rising flour. Using self-rising flour simplifies your baking by combining leavening and salt, meaning fewer ingredients to measure. This method is perfect for achieving soft, delicious sugar cookies with minimal fuss. Just remember that self-rising flour already contains baking powder and salt, so you won't need to add those separately. This guide will walk you through each simple step. Gathering your ingredients is the first step to delicious cookies. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of self-rising flour, 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 large egg. Having your butter at room temperature is key for a smooth, creamy mixture. Accurate measurements ensure your cookies turn out perfectly every time, so take your time with each component. Start by creaming the softened butter and sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy, then beat in the egg. Next, gradually add the self-rising flour, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Once your dough is ready, wrap it in plastic and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step makes the dough much easier to handle and roll out. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out your chilled dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thickness and cut out your desired shapes. Place them on a baking sheet and bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before adding your favorite frosting or sprinkles. Enjoy your homemade sugar cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.